Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How is everybody? China, the most populous country in the world, continues its restrictions on COVID-19. China tells people to stay at home. China continues to carry out so many tests every day. And this country has said it wants to withdraw its right to host 2023 Asian Games. They have put stringent restrictions on people. The lockdown is everywhere, there is lockdown, and tests are going on everywhere. This is the situation in China. The battle between COVID 19 and Beijing carries on. And one more news from Palestine. Everyone knows that the Palestinian journalist was lost her life because of the shooting of the Israeli forces, and her casket was being carried to the cemetery. She was about to be buried, but the people who were carrying her coffin, they were also attacked by the Israeli forces with their sticks. As a result, the coffin fell down. Somehow they buried the dead body of Palestinian journalist. So these are the latest news.